ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಹನಾ. Hello, I'm Sahana from Karnataka, a state in India. As a native Kannada speaker, fluent in both Kannada and English, I have over 3 years of experience teaching Kannada online to learners from diverse backgrounds. I hold a master's degree in Biochemistry, and you might be wondering why I chose to teach Kannada. The answer is simple. I have always been passionate about teaching and deeply connected to my language. While my academic background is in science, I discovered that helping people learn Kannada and connect with the language brings me immense joy and fulfillment. Over the years, I have taught learners from the US, the Netherlands, and India, including working professionals, corporate employees, students, and language enthusiasts. Whether you are learning Kannada for work, travel, daily conversations, or to connect better with family and local communities, I am here to support you. My lessons are practical, interactive, and completely personalized to your goals. I believe that the best way to learn a language is by using it. So, from our very first lesson, you'll start speaking Kannada through interactive conversations, everyday vocabulary, pronunciation practice, and situations we are likely to encounter in daily life. I create a friendly and supportive environment where you can learn comfortably, build confidence, and progress at your own pace. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to improve your fluency, I would love to be a part of your Kannada learning journey. So book a trial lesson with me. I look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.